Israel Matseke Zulu podcast up close and personal on the street. Siphakathi emsawa weSoweto bafethu eTladi. You remember the brother who have survived the death sentence and the life sentence, and then we did the episode at our studio house at Marlborough. So now this is a follow-up because he couldn't find help. So we decided, good to know, we must come live, up close and personal. Manje, this is the home where he lives, living in a mother's house, there by the garage. Uncle Pusho Lekali. Katani. Yeah. As you shoot the party, I want to chapile l'Italian and that.
Yeah.
The Rodmani level is a black Italian. Yeah. Okay. The guy says that thing. Sarquatera and Ertotusa Rodmaniaha. Okay. Itara. That's a nice place, eh? Good. Yes, we have arrived. Good. This is the fun. That's my special needs. Asisami, Rafen Tambuli, Asana 21 years. That's why I'm a 5 tiger. I'm a 5 tiger. Me 28 years.
Yeah, after saying shoes.
Yeah. I'm from Salapes Gompetum.
Okay, it's into the studio now.
Yeah. Yeah, put in a nice room. Yeah. Yeah. People of the South, we have arrived at the gentleman's place, the men who have survived Ampal. Ampal is death sentence. That was converted into a life sentence by our former president, Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Uncle, came to Senway. Yeah, it's Carlos Sako Kalilongzi. Yeah, I'm going to serious letter. He won't love, he came to. I would think the science, or the science. Seattle, yes, I podcast here to interview you in the studio, give you a platform and exposure. You speak for yourself. Then whoever want to intervene and volunteer and take the matter further. That's all. But I felt good to know it is okay. Godman, it's Carlos Sako things we simply true. So right now at this point of time, before uzoskaya umkhondo ukuthi siyakuphi, according to the procedure, umuntu makalwela into zakhe amalungelo wakhe indlu yakhe. Ngithemba ukuthi likhona lelo office la eSoweto. Ngifuna ukubona ama-document ukuthi masifika sibone ukuthi asifana vele le ndlu le ibiza ngayo indlu yakhe. Bafowethu indlu le esizohelpa uRotman ngayo indlu yakhe ashiyelwe ithayima lakhe. So uphathulwa umamkhulu nomntwana wakhe. Ubani umakoti? Yes, is worse. Umakoti uyo umphathula lezana leli nomntwana wakhe, umntwana wakhe ngathi bayinyanga kwakhe nendumba khona lapho kuphahlalwa khona kwenziwa zonke lezi zinto ama-consultation, yazi indumba kula kwenziwa ama-services wokunyanga. So siyamehelpa. We've never done this before, but we feel and believe khona la sizofika khona. So manje ngifuna sibone i-proof sonke, national broadcast, ukuthi now ama-documents approvayo ukuthi idladla lakhe. Okay, le ID yeGrotmani or ithayima lakho lezi umkhorosi Cornelius Katani or unibiza nanga same surname then it qualifies you athi ngibone iphepha ledlala in title deed title deed City of Johannesburg violation certificate owner Kumane Elizabeth there okay oh right deed of transfer yeah ERF 473 Muroka North Township that's a rock oh elinye leli oh leli la Katani Mukhorosi Cornelius Emlapo Township okay ivalue 110 part okay right okay so I document 80 ledlala ilakho ikuphi
indaba enangoba mina ngocela mfethu nanga ama death certificate
death certificate le time
akakatani lenye le sister yami
no then kuhlangene into zonke zihlangene wafethu akudingi siloku esivulana namapage la siloku esiphedile kusela lezinto lapho emakhaveni bakho
manje asiye edlaleni eliyi-1 nje kumele siye kumadlala ayi-2
amadlala ayi-2 lababhathula wona
leli elinye leli yile ulifunde eqala uthi 473 mro lakaKungwane sister yami uKungwane
naye
ubholile naye kule weekends
okay iphi death certificate ye-sister akusile izinto zakhe yeza sister yakho manje kuhlala bani ka-sister
baqashisa abantu endlini nasemarumini
akunamuntu efamily ohlala la bonke abantu bomqashi manje why bangavayanga after the funeral
angazi mina ngibuzile ukuthi angitholi ishare mina yedayidi
kungene wena and take over for yourself phela nami ne-sister yami i-sister yami bayivaya vele ama-property wakhe bakuvayele mina kuqala uye kumele athathe i-responsibility angavaya kuqala yimi engitake over
nami bakutshelile ukuthi ngitake over izinto manje baqashise indlu namaroom ngaphandle
okay
bafuna ukunginikeza i-half ye-rent
ubani ongafuni
omunye ucheri wasePitori bathi uSponono
ubani lo cheri sengizwe ubani efamily lo cheri
le cheri leyo wakaba Medie Grootman eSwarsam umntwana kabo Grootman eSwarsam mara uhlala ePitori
ungena kanjani
angazi ungena kanjani mfethu nami ngizokutshela mama ngimbuzile ngemali wathi hayi ngibophise imali angeke ngiyokunika
okay good bamba kanje bafethu without wasting any time isikhathi asikho sedliwa amatariana isikhathi sishwabene time wait for nobody we move we're going to the location of the house we're going to the first house then we're going to the second house actually I think before the house you want to say my office the office they are responsible for it I say the office in assembly I say the housing Department of Housing
the profile bangibhalele lokuthi abantu bancede nanga amafoni number wabo lo cheri lo uthi office bancede office nabafoni ukuncede
ola amafoni number lawa we office Usasa building Fox Street
ngithume uthikini wadala
okay maybe today siyocala lapha la local office ayikho
ikhona ilocal
siyaku local office kuyofoni wasedapha mabathi siya eJozi sizoya not today another day
lamaphepha kuye eJozi yaswele into esishota ngayo ukuvula ifile le Marshall and Sawa Street
leyo file ivulelwayo
ukuthi ngibheke ukuthi iWilliam isasekhona na or anginayo na iyo ekhipha ama secret iMarshall and Sawa
Marshall and Sawa
ifile izinto zisefayilini zifriwe bathe ngibuye nginepass and ipass ngizoyithola next month
pass
ipass ID ngizoyithola next month mina nginayo ID
awuna ID
bathe ngibuye lapha ngiphethe ID ngoba bazovula ama secret wabona weyinyungu
why ungana ID
zonke lezi zinto the time ngisejele bengine 150 ye-ID mangibuza email ukuthi ngayi birth certificate ngoba ngizothatha i-ID what izinto zihambile nesister yami nesister yami ishonile
izinto zakho zihamba
bashone endadeni bonke
bashona
bonke bashonile babulawe i-cancer
so ama-birth certificate bewala wazalelwa
ngazalelwa eMlambo mina
why ishengisho ikliniki yakho kokuyini ikliniki wazalelwa eJabavu
mina kusho ukuthi ngiphumele eBhara bangilethe eMlambo ngizalelwe eBhara
uzalelwe eBhara kusho ukuthi ikhophi ye-certificate sakho birth certificate kumele babe nayo eBhara wani ngayithola
ngiphethe iphepha leli elipruvayo ukuthi ipasi yami ngizoyithola next month
ipasi uyoyithola next month
ipasi ngiyoyithola next month le copy yakhona banginikile kunenamba abayifunayo la
i-procedure
iyo i-proof next month ngize nale phepha leli ngizonginikeza i-ID
okay next month good no siyaphuma bafowethu we're going out, we're going to the local office that deals with matters of housing, the Department of Housing local office, Mulabu. Kulasiako. Yes, sir. Abash. Ama-document nawo wafojile ushawublubhaki kumele kube nomuntu ozofakaza athi le igrutman yami le nto yonke ayikhulumayo yiqiniso. I think this is going to be a killer episode.
Too much.
Check. Ngifuna ukumkawuza angangishuthi. Athi chatha zovuka.
Abuti ke setlogolo sa mo hae ne ke ha bo mme wa hae nna ke phetse le nkgono wa hae ke ngwetsi ya ka mo next door ke dijara ke phela le bona. I know the life history ya bona left and right and center. We are a one big family. Next door, we grow up together, and then ke phetse le bona ke ba tseba up to that far. Ke ba tseba ntate moholo wa hae, ke tseba nkgono wa hae, ke tseba bohle ba lelapa le.
Okay, mama, lebitso ke mang?
Ke nna Martha Kekana.
Okay, Martha Kekana.
Yes.
And then also Martha, when you are a family friend,
Yes.
you know the history of this family.
Yes.
We are here to help this gentleman.
Yes.
Akere otswa kostupong,
Yeah.
death sentence and life sentence.
Yes.
Then when he come out, he found gore lefala ko bona ntlu ya ntata gae ba inkile aba mo fe access.
Yes.
And then lintla uswa gae ene ba tlhokofetse ke nnete.
Ke nnete ntate.
Yeah, so re tlile go tlo mo thusa for lona le baka leo gore a tshole ntlo ya gae. Because it's fair o tswa tronkong o lo dula ko strateng ile gore o swa ga o shetse ntlo ene le ntata ga o shetse.
Yes. It is so painful because only his parent house. So because he was homeless,
Yeah.
he decided to come and stay with his grandmother at his grandmother's house. Ne? And yet indlu yakubo ikhona idliwe umuntu. Nami ngiyacela ukuthi indlu yakubo mayibuye.
Mayibuye.
Yes.
Yebo. Siyabonga akukho kudlula lokho.
Yes.
Sizosuka manje siyahamba thina siya Department of Housing local office yalaphana eMlambo.
Yes.
So uzwa ukuthi yini eholda the process ukuthi bamnike indlu yakhe.
Thank you.
Kuthi uyayicashisa or wenzani
It's up to
it's
him.
up to him.
It's up to him.
Angithi enye uyothola sokunabaqashi abanye abasafuna ukuhamba sebajwayele basebazalile nezikulu khona lapho but makuye yakhe is entitled angithi unayo ungibonisile title deed benginayo lapha nerumini lakhe lapha ungibonisile title deed uthi nayi title deed nabo ufakazi obushoyo ukuthi this house must belong to me nathi sinezindlu basambe emhlabeni khona abantu esibabhalisile sobashiyela lezi zindlu zethu bese abantwana bethu kuza abantu babathathele lezindlu lezi into engafuneki ke leyo
because if at all right now indlu kagogo beyingekho he was one of the homeless people ne ngabuhlala ebridge indlu yakuba ikhona ngoba umbuso wethu usifeyilile umbuso wethu usifeyilile even your own parents house you cannot fight for it ngoba kusebenza amaphepha kusebenza imali
abanye abantu abahlala kulezi zinto baforge amaphepha
yes
manje into esifuna ukuyithola asilo akusitha amaphoyisa thina sinayibhambu soya laphana sikhipha iproof nabo basho ukuthi no into enze ukuthi lo muntu angatholi indlu isizathu nasi sisazoya naseMarshall Street la kuphuma khona ubufakazi abamawili laba abahendlela amawili ukuthi vele wafakiwe will case close sister wena igama lakho ubani
mina ngi Cynthia
uCynthia urelate kanjani nobhuti lo esizomsiza namhlanje
umntana kaMamkhulu wami
umntana kaMamkhulu wakho
yebo
so lenkinga le esize ngayo yokuthi bamthathele izindlu yayazi
enye sinyayazi
so awusichazele ngoba sifuna ubufakazi ngoba sizwe istory kuya kuphela is very important ukuthi sizwe istory se-witness
okay amaphoyisa afikile la azochaza ukuthi uPhusho anyeke aye emlambo abamfuni emlambo bafuna ukuthi ahlale la if bamthola emlambo uzoboshwa lo mntwana akafanele ukuthi amkhiphe fanele ahlale naye yena akafuni ukuhlala naye ufuna ukuhlala naye ufuna ukuhlala yena anabantwana bakhe lo mntwana unakubo eShawela
lo mntwana lo hlala kule ndlu le unakubo manje why ahlala lapha uhlala lapha ngise ufika kanjani lapha
ushiwe ngabo auntie basaphila
ushiwe
abo auntie basaphila
abo auntie bakhe kuwabo sisi bakabhuti
yebo abo sisi bakhe bakaPhusho
okay
so bashonile bonke
okay
so makabuya wachaza ukuthi ufuna ukungena endlini lo mntwana wathi fonela umama wafonela umama wakhe walomfana lo
so lo mntwana lo unayo umama nobaba
ubaba ushonile
unayo umama umama wakhe uhlala kuphi
uhlala eShawela
la kumele uhlala khona nomama wakhe
la kumele ahlale naye nomama wakhe
so uyasinika imvumo ukuthi siwathathe lamanyathelo ukuthi somsiza ubhuti
mina ngiyavuma baba
into right lesiyenzayo
i-right lento eniyenzayo
ngoba ubhuti azizanga kuye thina uze kithi ubone iprogram yethu esiyenzayo athanda ukuthi ngimsize
okay
ngoba kakhulu kwazi sisiza bona abantu abaphuma ejele ngoba nami ngaye ejele personally
okay
so inhliziyo zethu zababhlungu yiko usibona sila sathatha isikhathi sethu
okay
so masinikwa uwe imvumo siyakhululeka nathi asifuna ukungena indaba zamafamily kanti thola ukuthi senza into wrong kanti khona into oyaziyo maybe sinyathela wrong into kungamelanga siyenze le mara mawusivumela ukuthi siyenze siyabonga
ngiyavuma baba
sizabuya sikutshele ukuthi sihambe kanjani
ngiyabonga
siye ofisini le local housing yasemlapho naleli linye afuna siye kulo la kuhlala khona abaqashi indlu yakasisi wakhe
okay
siyabonga
okay ngiyabonga baba
thank you let's go
Thank you, Mom.
yes
maybe you can state what was the reason behind how important it was for you to sign on his behalf.
naka le dito nyenyedi Shikawari go letse mo brokanos
Okay.
what was it brokanos but the music is like like
Okay.
Yeah. So, so most of the time they'll spend an hour.
Ke oswa gae. Wa bo.
More positive ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, also. Yeah, also.
Ke oswa gae.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like teacher, we grew up together, and never learned more about you.
Yeah.
Because you only is boy.
Yeah.
Also, because the killers for never also and also I nearly the eldest and like but now I talk anyway.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Because the parents are the only
Okay.
and that you were the youngest.
Okay.
Okay. So it all happened. Now I talk. I'm a divorcee. So I came back most of the way to 2011. Then I keep it my mom told me, "Hey man, what will I do since as far it's been years and years until we go home." So uto ukida batho ba tlo khona gore ba ye ba le mo bona because also high na sitse a fokolanya. So fast forward, okay, azanka inka sila sa ho. Fast forward, go usba ba tlokafala. Because you know that usba ituba setting ya mntu yi-1. Usba ba ituba ba tlokafala. Of which odilang mo opposite mo Yesu. Ba tlokafala. And in le bona batho ba ile gore ba frequent o lo bona theo go tsong. So ha ba se ba tlokafetse probably over 6 years back, if not over 4 or 5 years back, so plan. My mom again said, "Hey man, why it's in the battle mo? You water na ditlile mo. Ba re dio santse tshole parole." And jalo nna next time ke tsa but nye ke tlo kopa wena o ntse. Ka ra nna ke na bothata. I can still go le bona video a ke na bothata. Ka take over because ke tseba hore ha sana family. Most ba ba le ngore ke bona le ba mebetsi. Ha ba sa le. So I want anybody else okay. So I decided to get a palam. My mom used to give me money. So I got a
underwear.
Until no problem. Anytime. Then they started calling me. They came to my house. Then no, yes, friend, we grew up together. Now you have next. As a brother or I mean, until you so I said, nah, you must come sign S.A. brother.
Yes.
So how is that thing? And
this is kind of what you
retain the favor. Begafana no mama sister yam. The way begamphethe kanjani ngakhona nje begaya mo high court anyenzela mo motion without money ngana next angana next but anyenzela everything and then I una ma problem nama problem a personal ngixoxe phone ngiyabonga nokuba usister ofana naye ngabe akekho ngabe ngilost vele bese ngumalunde lase visit bengayithola ngithole I visit ngaye ne family yakhe manje yabona inhliziyo yami babuhlungu makuthi abantu basasekhona abangithandayo uyabona bayaziphuva self njengoba ngithi bebangithengela ama underwear nensipho ukuthi ngigeze ukugeza impilo is a matter of must kumele ugeze uzokhona ukuthi ungaguli ngiyamu kakhulu kumele ngirithene favor thank you bafowethu
I'd like to say thank you very much.
Broadcasting
I'm so proud of
Zulu.
You. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Keep helping these people.
We try our best. We don't own the world. I'm not God. But I do the best I can. Sizobuya because Sayale Commissioner Street. So tola authority letters check and laba was inquire who's the beneficiary of the house. Umthetho hamba njani. I lose into noma kuye yakini. as long ungekho emaphepheni. Yeah, so it's very important. So mathina asingeni ngendlovu yangena akusithi idudula. Thina sishaya ngepaperwork.
Ngepaperwork.
Ngokufakaza sibeke sithi nabo ukufakaza.
Beke phansi.
Bakhona abazafika ngehalf mayibe laba isikhathi sakhona masesifikile. Siyabonga siswami.
Yebi
Ngathola isithombe sakho ke manje.
bayisa konke utho yebi kwabe ubuhle bathi babuye intatho wathela okay
Whatever.
Let's go somewhere.
One step at a time.
One step.
So ntate ke mang? Ke Motlhongu. So ntata gae le le makhelwane wa gago tshomi ya gago. Okay. Tata gae o la tlhokofala. Itse ha tlhokofala gwa dula bo mang ko ntlong ya tata gae. Ke santse le pila fatshe. O ba ile kaofela. So go dula mang?
wa buruti ke motšhana
O ke motšhana o dulang. Ai kesto. A gona se sengwe se le sma. O ke motšhana ya dulang. So motšhana ona o dula le mang? O le rokang le. O hirisi. Okay. Ana mme na Okay. No marai. Ke ra le bo hanta temtso. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Naki Israel matsekeso. Pampita GP. Yeah. No rale bo gafo paki bo o re fileng. Ke nnete ne. Okay. Ya rena re thusa batho ba tshwanang le nna, ex-convict ba tswang tronko. Because le nna personally ke tswa teng. So talent ya ka e developile from kote. So ha ba bona nna ba bona morena. Ke yo morena wa mapanki.
ke gore ba lelang teng
Tshidi le pantiki le legolo le smart le phumelletseng. Ya a ke na ditlhoro. Ra le bua ntate re tla bona next time. Dimo a o pholosa a o beye gore di teke boya o tholo phela. Tshara. Aswaye.
and hape never le buesiwo le re motho a na leng ha bona a dule he never a tsamaye danka tshwarisa maponesa never mtsamaisa tamile a tsamaya bone ragadi wa ai o itse a emele ankele a tswa tronko a hand over ski ya o yena so when mme wa hae a ranka taiso o tonkutsetsa tronkong ke atella o tsho mme wa hae jwale ne mme wa hae o bulaile abtua ka ntate wa yena mfana o dulang yi o reng ha ntsebe nna ke Brian Grootman ya yi a re ke Brian Grootman ya yi ba mphiya kaofela ba re nna ke ngwana yiso so well daile nyeng kutlwisa botlhoko maholo wa utlwisisa gore ke tsele le tlatla la lethamala ka disetse kaofela ba ke bo makhelwana ga ona motho o sa tsebe e ke le sto ya ka kaofela ba tseba ke tlatla la ka le ke sietse ke lethamala
o ka kena ntate o ka nkena
Welcome.
Welcome. So when you so tlala mtshana ona le o ile ha ile re nna nka taiso ba tla ntshwarisa ka ya tronko a ke na respect
Okay, ubani kama lakho? Ya frustana lensizwe. Ubani lensizwe? Filos Katana. Oh, Filas. So Filas one complain lo batla ke mothusi. O re ba mo patutse le tlala.
bua nnete ke ko bona
is a pity fela bona ba ntse mistake ke ra ngwana wa yona ntwana motho o le tsiso bona ka se mjudge o tswa ka o entseng wa bona ne ntse re phela le o hlompha lo fila ka blind ke mratela le lo fila ka le mrata so a go kile batho ba phela ba se ba phodile bane ba motseba ba mkhuza wa etsa hamba etsa ke za mkhuza kaba kala pati ya live wa live sometimes live ya na live upside down but now there was no need of agara ba motseba because I'm tseba we know him repeatedly ina many years itonkong neria ka di visit ya libo Christmas what ya da mo ka bo di Christmas what neria fela re bone se sa tsi na ne re sa tlo bona yena but what is no ka se mo misi wa bona le no at least uzama lo change wa bona
witnesses abantu abaziyo iGrootman ukuthi as far lento esizomsiza ngayo vele hiyo makhelwane Grootman umutsiba hakana nkana muthu
ona ke Philip Loki
yeah
ya ka ile
yes
ya ka ile yo ko to na ka mi ba ka mfita ka 2 years or 1
yeah
na listen
yeah
so ka era finish fika mabewana mabewana hekimo kufika ahlukana ke
okay
so uthaka ila tswa
yeah
atswa wa chase until abe a thola parola ba
yeah
so upon parola a tsantsa go tlewa a shota ka motho o mosedi
yeah
so una le ka gadi ka number 1
yeah
so le ga godwa ke system le go bona
yeah
right una re mitsa ga gadi ka bone
yeah
so yena ke system
yeah
le sala ka ko to fortunately le la
yeah
ya ke lona le ka tlhalosa but upon o ke ngai so tile ka motho ka motho
ya mara ri tile sister o nyame on sign it
thank you
yeah
now fine it's fine if I could then I want to tell
yeah
and then asaba in I understand
yeah
because mtwala lanka yena ki makulu
yeah 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 okay kimchana yeah kiba bomncane yeah so ile wena o tswa tronkong sina mo o tlofalang no ka fila ba how some mona a boya vie a tlosala mo o tlo fila jwang
no problem ke a bona there's nothing I can
ke a bona
it's a rightful place for them.
yeah it's a rightful place thank you
and then if then yena na ka busana le bona
akaba ncenyisa ke re ke ba bomncane
yeah
ke rangwane
yena fela setsi
go tshuna gale ablome le
unfortunately batho ba busile ba bodile
uncle wena
ka se plane uri ntwana e re nna ke motho wa yi ere ke braya Grootman ya itse o utlwisisa
Ere go
braya tsebe re nna ke braya Grootman ya yi a ke ngwana wa hiso o utlwisisa so when o ile ntwana le na le 9 rules le ka le ikenya dala occupier ba batlela nda ntwana e kentse ndumba yi ke kheti le o ile ona ke dikheti ba ndo ya ba lithu ba nkela ledlala le ba expectile hore ke be ke tswetse ke shwelletse tronko ntumba ke a engana le ya bona saloking ya ndumba bona
okay I know
ba ikupile re tlo katala data for ankila gutla e hand over the key yona e kenya dindumba jwana
no
o ile ona le njotsa straight 99 or ha o ka ya heno ka gutlela tronkong wa tella o tsore ba nqhwakela ka mantswa ma
no re tla ba proofela ke re tlo ba proofela so tsore document ka ofela o bone ba jumpile go gata ke tloetsa kana le sente okay ba fetile lo GP ma already aka ghetto professor Israel Matseke Zulu, up close and personal podcast. Busy ngecase yeGrootman ukuthi ithole imfanelo zayo njengoba iphume eDanyani emadamini estretchwe kamfene. So bafowethu asihlanganeni next time. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe bafowethu. You are missing out. This is a podcast for the people, by the people, and for the people. Asipanisaneni yazi mawusiza umuntu oyi-1 out of million kufanele ukuthi usize i-billion. Is each one help one and each one help all. Abasho
ke ka ba thusa ntata
isikhathi sidliwe umasho abantu.
Bafowethu ke thaba hore ke be yimo ke leng teng lena le data le le bonang ke data la ka bafowethu ke le sietse ke thama la ka marema orange ke yo wan lwanela di supporters tsa hae di bochale hore ke thole le data trege bafowethu Israel Matseke Zulu YouTube bafowethu broadcast le shebe ndali mshebe hore ke motho tusang batho teng la bona le mo TV wa hlaya ko bo Asapoli habe le tseba Asapoli ke yena ma orange GP ma orange bafowethu khale nna ke le tronko bafowethu ke tlila fitla ko montle kopana le mathata batho ba nqhakela ntho tsaka batho ba bana le sebete bafowethu ba mprovoke and nna ke batle di problem ke batla o pantita ka montle ke dule life ka montle. I'm from death row bafowethu ne ke kwebuwe dijara lifu ne kwebuwe lifu bafowethu ne ke sa death sentence bafowethu jwanong ke ba batho ba mprovoke ke kopa hore bafowethu le nthuse bafowethu batho ba batlowe yipela ka bafowethu le nna ke phile philo ba ka with peace bafowethu ke signa every day ya ifoka kgwedi ke a signa maponesa nna teletse ka mo morao ba nsainisa ha ifoka kgwedi ke phone ke signa le police station ke thabile bafowethu ke yo YouTube bafowethu Matseke Zulu broadcast bafowethu le latelle bafowethu le nkokole bafowethu. Thank you.
sanibonani mina yima asizanga ngempi asizanga ngempi thina siphuma kuwina media Israel Matseke Zulu podcast yaku YouTube television people sizosiza lokuthi ngisiza abantu abaphumelele ama ex-con ya so ubaba uyakhala lapha mthathela izindlu so asin-interrogate sifuna ukuthola ukuthi yini inkinga ngokuphethe i-title deed uphethe ama-evidence yonkinga next door okay let's go next door oh uyamazi yeah sifuna leso sikolo nokuthi siyamazi vele inkinga siyayazi
Angabona personal that says wena mang dinamba udula kwa address ngeso and you requesting a letter of proof of residence from the office of the council and then
I'm Israel Matseke Zulu yes from Wina Media yes production called Wina Media esebenza ngama ex-convict so ngisiza abantu in different ways so ubaba uzekithi kuwina media makaphuma ejele uphuma ku death sentence leya convertwa into life sentence uMandela makaba president so inkinga asikhalele ngayo uthi bamthathele indlu yakababa ephume a homeless he had to uhlala kugogo wakhe so why we here to follow the correct procedure to find out what might be the problem. So angisuzwe story sakhe so we don't want to hear one side story sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle usibonise ama title deed ama proof ukuthi uye i-beneficiary elezindlu lezo kunabantu abahlala lapha abamfuni bebacabanga ukuthi uzofela ejele
ubuda kaqala ukuzalana ne
yeah
ukhansela wakhe kahle kahle ukhansela lifutho akekho
akafuni ukunceda makhelwane so uyangazi ngaphandle akafuni ukunceda
mama
so ukhansela wakhe ulifutho ne so ilokuzana I think in consultation with Baba the first advice was that he needs to go and get a letter of authority from the masters of the office of the masters Marshall Street.
Okay.
Bamthole but athole with all the evidence that he's got.
Okay.
Azokwazi ukuthi athole a letter of authority.
Yeah.
And unfortunately the process yakhona after letter of authority he needs to go to this office. This office lapho azokwazi ukuthi anikezwe khona an ID.
Yeah, ngoba kana ID marozoyithola next month.
Alright, then he missed that. Unfortunately, the process I said this office, it requires the services of an attorney.
Okay.
Yes.
So, I would say, hijack. Do you mind if you share us this information on camera?
I wouldn't do that because he doesn't belong a wedding lamb.
Okay.
Yeah, councillor wakhe ulifunzo yena ongathatha the responsibility. And unfortunately, he has rushed to another meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, kusho ukuthi mele ID is very important.
Crucial.
Bese siye Marshall Street.
Yes.
Letter of authority.
Yeah, letter of authority. After letter of authority, it's this office. With all the evidence that he's got, it must be proven from the officer of the DIS office to say he is the beneficiary.
Yeah, uzwa.
And that's the information esamnikeza yona baba. Mhlambe unida somebody
yeah. That is why.
Yeah,
that's why
ngale ndaba le permit uYolanda. uYolanda wase ngicela ungifundele lapha.
Proof of res, request is closure. Okay. What's your petition in about? Yeah, what's a petition if within the neighbors Salona, just to say they're giving permission that the street can be closed for that period. I get after just for them to sign or they agree, and then you come with that in Trinana with that. Does it require affidavit? It doesn't. No, it doesn't. Yeah. The signatures are paid. It looks an petition. Proof of residence.
so the IT what you try next month name specify what it
And
is.
then
November 25.
Late or towards month end.
Yeah, that's long.
Mama, ko poshele Yolanda mo, ko tlase mo tshwarente, mo tsolla right mo tshwere. O romeletse mo Yolanda ka batla Bujabo, Bujabo ba rutiniking, ke na le makoro video. Gore ba thusa. Lucas yena re bo makhelwane straight. Mora ba tlo thusa.
There's no way a councillor can have to choose.
Hayi abathi
The
sister,
first procedure
nka bua ntwe. Ibulane ke nana le mo expose for ntwe.
No, that's not the. That's
No,
not
no,
the
no.
route.
That's not the because yakumbula you came the other time ngo November. Sakhuluma mina nawe ukuthi ukhansela uzokusiza. And we said
Nesikhathi sakhe sisi.
no, but sesakhuluma
Nayi phepha ngibuye edrobheni.
No,
So unless you follow those procedures.
Malume, it's very important to follow the procedure. Indlu akusukudlala. So labantu laba, there's a procedure to be followed. We must receive this ID. Then siya Marshall Street. Sithola le letter of authority.
Yes.
Angeke bona bakwazi ukubreacha that office, the authorization, but tata le indlu le ungena. Umthetho awusebenzi kanjalo. That is why we here. That is why we need to follow the correct procedure. Okay, letter of authority izohambisana nale evidence.
Exactly.
Babambe izandla phela bona ngeke bavele bathi ya asambeni sobakhipha nabantu uthole indlu yakho kungana letter from the authority that states that ukuthi for real you are a beneficiary.
GP wa tsaba batho ba ba entse itsa ke tsamaya ke ya ko ke ko pa mo Yolanda.
More
Yeah.
to the human settlement
Usasa
office.
watwate Fox and rumela mo ka lengolo le ka lo tla ka lona lengolo le ba re Jabu hayo o ile kai and o sile di phone number mo Yolanda.
Jabu I'm talk about Tusangayona Ndati. Jabu is an official ya masipala edilang ka di file tsa officer.
Jona mama format o ka re shebela yo. O fela ba ibone fela format fela.
No, I can trying to get permission from your councillor. Now I cannot access because
And it was a councillor isinike I go ahead. Kufuneka I go ahead from authority master's office. Mara ngisasiqalile process.
E wa dumela re ka mo fa di phone number tsa councillor a bue le yena.
no problem at all.
Ko pa mo fe ba re bo makhelwane na le councillor ai ba tlo thusa.
No, ungayithathi emotionally. Akana choice makumela kusize. Makumela kusize, kumela kusize according to the law.
Skula so
If anzwani ngendaba zokuthi nihlala nonke into leyo it doesn't enter in this matter. It doesn't affect. If your house is your house, it will be your house. Mara ba umama wenza sense mangimamela mina. Nami nginendlu. Ubaba wami nami ngishiyile. I had to ukuthi ngiye office laseThembisa and change my surname njengoba ngibiza ngoZulu so that I can be a beneficiary of that house. Ngakhipha 14,000. Ngoba besingeke permitting. Kuthi ubabakho ayisho next lento leyo. Ilaw isebenza ngenye indlela. Mama akubhalisanga bangenzanga izinto kahle basaphila emhlabeni it's a hassle. Mara manje ngicomfortable because ngine title deed. Bayangazi office. Bengeke ngibenefit lento le if at all my surname was different from my father's surname. So we are following the correct procedure.
Mama, kopa mphe phone number tsa Lucas a go Lucas.
Uyositshela the same thing Lucas.
Akere na
Uyositshela the same thing ukuthi kufuneka the higher power to authorize this matter. Kufuneka the ID.
To intervene.
Akere rona ne re batla bona comment mama.
Mr. Puto, to intervene a bit, sketla la sinyana komo. No ratswa ra go ntlo. It's what we came here for. And we wait for Nagoya master's office.
We must wait for the ID next month.
Yeah.
After you've received the ID,
and then
we proceed. Master's office.
Yeah.
But here was to keep wonka file ukuthi you are a beneficiary. Angithi baba phethe nama-will.
I don't know the death certificate. Ne?
Like it's very certificate too.
Yeah. The sister's house and the father's house. Simple as that. The information besifuna
Fanele kuqalwe lapho.
kumele kuqalwe lapho. Makuqalwe lapho siphethe le phepha siza la sebayazi ukuthi kumele bona kumele bayenzeni.
Wayithola Mr. Lakat.
Ngiyayithola.
Yeah, so again not as much as Renan
Sothulwa mahhala siyele eMarshall Street bathi iphi ID. But then mazodlala la ayisebenzi basic sifuna ID.
So as proof, what do you have? The certificates that the parents. Then
Yeah, which one the
Rona ne re batla comment fela re sene re tlile mo ho Lucas ke ne ke rometsi ke Uganda. Yena njwetsa gore yena ya tropong. Ka mo tsare
that can also be done.
Yeah.
But yeah, the councillor needs to authorize filing. I don't know.
Wait. Again, we are here. The councillor is saving the people. We can call him now. You have to come if I'm available. Yeah, so that's what we must do. If you remind something, find out.
What I will do, I will take the house number alone.
Ana motho o dula mo o dula di enemy that's why re ya mo.
All we need is the address,
Yeah.
so that we draw the file and check if the file is still parents. That's what we need, and that can be done in the presence of your council.
Right, mama. Sengikhathesi mama.
What if isesteri inike oyi-1 kulabaqashi laba? I-master's office basitshele yona le ndaba le ukuthi no usisi bekangamfuni naye. Asisho ukuthi kunjalo.
No, how did you
What if?
We'll want the proof.
Then if I didn't approve, then we dispute the process.
1124 Mulapo Street, Mulapo location.
1124 Strata.
Mulele Street. Mtlukia Katani ne mama ki Cornelius Katani ntato waka.
Mulele Street, Cornelius Katani.
Katani.
Oh, Katani.
1124 Mulapo, Mulele Street.
Wow, Zek.
I know, Peggy.
No, Nyamazi, there's song last year.
Cornelius Katani. That's the information.
Katani.
I think it's a Baba best time.
Okay.
Let's have a corner, some of Peggy.
Just to check the house permit. All the details. And then thereafter we'll confirm the parents it's a high, and then will maybe
Can I give you our number?
Maybe get your numbers as well.
Angimayize different story angibuza uyi-1 so phethe thina ke manje so kunomehluko manje.
No, but that is last time I did it. So I'm explaining.
Charlie, mama.
Mama?
But siyabonga ukuthi yabona uma kule bhakede leli ngitlo link.
Sorry man, totokane kile mfulo mo man. Ushebe kile bana li date ya Friday. Nek ba fa date ya mo bat bang kamadi and tlamile ke ko fizu a tsebe hape ba sebetsa le ka ene ke le mo mfulo. Ke le betso tlasiwa ne ke itse ko tlasiwa ke tsile ka.
Okay.
Le mo twa sokodisa.
Okay.
Ma ba ne ke le tosi.
No,
Sala ntle ba bona.
Thank you.